Meaning of dyadic.
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 Dyadic. The term dyadic refers to a relationship or interaction between two individuals or entities. The focus is on this one-to-one interaction, rather than a group or larger context. It can be used to describe communication patterns, social exchanges, and psychological processes between two people. This term is commonly used in the field of psychology, particularly in the study of interpersonal relationships and therapy. By examining the dynamics of dyadic interactions, researchers can gain insights into how individuals relate to one another, how they communicate and negotiate, and the impact of these interactions on mental health and well-being.